next we would introduce our perforated metal rack. This is a 3 tiles perforated metal rack shelf. 4 shelf, 5 shelf. 3 shelf, the item number is CJC1519. The height is 76. The shelf size is 60 by 30. These 3, the shelf size is also same. It's 60 by 30. And the post diameter, they are all 14 posts. The most popular size for 14 posts now are at factory is 60 by 30. And 4 shelves is the item number is CJC1520. The height is 90 for 4 shelf. And the 5 shelf perforated metal rack, the item number is CJC1521. The height is 120 centimeter. Each shelf loading weight for 14 posts is 80 kilo. And besides the 14 post diameter, we also have 19 and 25 for this perforated metal rack. So let's introduce other size and other post diameter to you. And for the color that we just showed that white color, gray color, and black color. Now this is 19 post. This is 19 post in carbon gray color. This size is 75 by 35. The item number is MR 7535. Height is 150. And for the 19 post, we have not only 75 by 35, we also have 90 by 35, 90 by 45, and also small size 60 by 35 for your choice. And this one is 25 post. The color is white color. And the size is 90 by 35. Height is 180. 160. And this one is 180. The item number for this is CJA1298. Size is 90 by 35, and that one is CJA1219. The size is 90 by 45, 180. The loading weight for this two is 150 kilo. Now our sales is assisting me to make the loading test. If the shelf space is not big enough, we can adjust the shelf space by so first take the shelf out, take the shelf up, then adjust the plastic clips up. Then put down the shelf onto the plastic clips. The most important is to make sure the plastic clips are at the same position. And after assembly, press down the shelf so that the shelf is more sturdy. Now you see that each bag 5 kilo, each bottle bag 15 kilo. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 8. We have 8 small rice bag and 2 big rice bag. 2 big rice bag is 30 kilo. So 2 is 60 kilo, and 8 is 40 kilo, is 100 kilo. Now 4 bag is each bag 15 kilo, is 60 kilo. So now the loading weight for this shelf is 100 and is more than 120. The shelf is still flat, so we have confidence that this shelf can load more than 120 kilo and is strong enough. So for this perforated metal rack now is selling well on US market and Singapore market and some European countries. If you like our perforated metal rack, please please leave us a message or contact our sales and tell us what size and what item number, what colors would you like.